Many drivers feel uncertain when approaching a roundabout, but knowing what to do before entering can make the experience simple and stress-free. Roundabouts are designed to keep traffic moving safely and efficiently by reducing the need for traffic lights and stop signs. When used correctly, they improve traffic flow, reduce delays, and lower the risk of serious collisions. As you approach a roundabout, begin by slowing down and paying close attention to road signs, lane markings, and traffic around you. Before entering, look to the left and check for vehicles already circulating within the roundabout. If traffic is approaching your entry point, wait patiently until there is a safe gap before entering. Never force your way into a roundabout or assume other drivers will slow down for you. Once there is enough space, enter smoothly and maintain a steady speed. Avoid stopping unnecessarily inside the roundabout, as this can confuse other drivers and disrupt the flow of traffic. Before entering, make sure you are in the correct lane for your intended direction. Many roundabouts use lane markings and signs to guide drivers. Pay attention to these markings well in advance, so you can position your vehicle correctly before reaching the roundabout. If you are taking the first exit, follow the lane markings and prepare to leave the roundabout safely at the first available exit. If you are traveling straight through the roundabout, remain in the appropriate lane and continue toward your exit while watching for other road users. If you are turning right or making a U-turn, follow the lane markings and continue around the roundabout until you reach your desired exit. While driving through the roundabout, stay within your lane and avoid changing lanes unless road markings specifically allow it. Changing lanes unexpectedly inside a roundabout can create dangerous situations for other drivers and increase the risk of a collision. As you approach your exit, check your mirrors and use your turn signal to indicate that you are leaving the roundabout. Signaling your exit helps other drivers understand your intentions and improves traffic flow. When exiting, watch carefully for pedestrians crossing near the exit and be prepared to stop if necessary. Large vehicles such as buses and trucks may require more space to navigate a roundabout. Give them extra room and avoid driving beside them where visibility may be limited. Cyclists and motorcyclists may also use roundabouts. Always check carefully for smaller road users before entering and exiting. One common mistake drivers make is stopping inside the roundabout to allow another vehicle to enter. Remember, vehicles already inside the roundabout generally have priority and should continue moving when it is safe to do so. Another common mistake is entering too quickly. Reducing your speed before entering gives you more time to observe traffic, identify hazards, and react safely. If you miss your exit, do not stop or reverse. Simply continue around the roundabout and take the exit on your next pass. Before entering any roundabout, remember this simple routine. Slow down, look left, yield, when necessary enter safely, stay in your lane and signal before exiting. Roundabouts are designed to keep traffic moving, but they only work effectively when drivers understand and follow the rules. Safe driving is not about rushing through a roundabout. It's about patience, awareness, and sharing the road safely with everyone around you.